Hi, this is teacher Amanda and today we are going to discuss Standard 4 exam paper section A multiple choice questions. Let's take a look. Question number 1. The teacher wants to hang a clock on the wall blank. She does not have a ladder. The answer is B. But 但是 she does not have a ladder. Question number 2. Mr. Vasu called for a mechanic blank. His car broke down. The answer is D, because 因为 his car broke down. Question number 3. The drains are clogged blank. People throw rubbish into them. The meaning of clog here is stuck. Alright, so the answer is A, because 因为 people throw rubbish into them. Question number 4. The firefighters tried to put out the fire blank. The fire spread too quickly. C, but. Question number 5. The sun is shining blank us. The answer is B, above us. It cannot be below us. It cannot be under us. It cannot be between us. So the answer is B, above us. Question number 6. Choose the most suitable proverb. Hakim always tells the truth. As the saying goes, B, honesty is the best policy. Meaning to say it's better to be honest and tell the truth than to lie. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Lily walked around the village and tried to sell matches to the villagers. Alright, walk over here shows that the story is in the past. Alright, it already happened. The villagers, D, the answer is D, did not want to buy any. Lily walked to 8, the answer is A. Lily walked to a food stall. She ordered a bowl of soup. The answer is C, because 因为 she was hungry. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. Choose the word that has the same meaning. Same meaning of the word underline. Okay, the mouse ran into a small hole in the wall. The same meaning of small here is tiny. B. It cannot be poor, it cannot be big, or it cannot be limited. So the answer is tiny hole in the wall. Choose the sentence with the correct punctuation. Oh, that's an interesting looking gong. Now, gong here is a thing, right? So it's a common noun, alright? So it's gonna be small letter instead of capital letter. So the answer is D. Oh, comma, that's an interesting looking gong. I want to hit it. The answer is D. Let's look at the next one. My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital. She is looking after a patient. The answer is B. She is, now you see the word here is, meaning to say it's happening right now. So the answer is D, taking. She is taking his temperature with a thermometer. The answer is D. He is lying in bed. Alright, the answer is B. Let's look at the next one. Read the story carefully and answer the questions that follows. Now, Mr. Gunn is the writer's. The answer is D, neighbor. How do you find the answer? The answer is in the first paragraph itself. Mr. Gunn is my neighbor. That's the answer. Mr. Gunn has very few holidays because he, the answer is B, has to work on public holidays. Now, where do you find the answer? The answer is in the second paragraph. Alright, so over here, he often has to work during festivals and public holidays. So there is the answer, B. Let's take a look at the next one. The other dog in the river, B, was Harry's reflection. Over here, you can see he saw another dog with a bone in the river. Here is Harry's reflection. Question number 19. From the story, we know that Harry, over here, Harry the dog was walking home. So he is crossing the bridge, right? So had to cross a bridge to go home. That's the answer. Last question. The moral of the story. What's the meaning of the moral of the story? What did we learn from the story? Alright. Now let's look here at number 3. Here, he wanted the other dog's bone. So the answer is greed does not pay. Meaning to say, do not be greedy. So that is the moral of the story. That is all for Standard 4 Exam Paper 1 Multiple Choice Questions. Thank you.